What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here. This morning we are back out at a Cars and Coffee. Do you guys remember Town Lake Cars and Coffee? Well, this is it now. It's officially renamed as Cypress Cars and Coffee. Looks like it's a pretty good turnout. We're here at a Baptist church in the local area. Lots and lots of cars as far as the eye can see, so you know it's gonna be a good one. We even got some Lamborghinis down there. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, and get ready for the awesome video, baby. Alright, we got the Avio Edition Huracan pulling up. I didn't even know this car was still in the area. Oh God, the man Auto Dreams.
Like 200,000 subscribers?
I wish.
How you doing?
Oh my God, I've been wanting to see this car forever. Got the Mark IV Supra, then followed by the Pandem wide body Mark V Supra. God, I wish I had my car, dude. Oh my God, that is so sick. I entered the Turner Colt giveaway thing, the first giveaway I've ever entered in my life, to see if I can win the Street Hunter one. So hopefully we'll be wide body buddies soon. Got the boy Zohan No Pain with the crazy red wheels on his GTR. I love it, I love it. Got a Saline Mustang, that's crazy. And then a big old Ford Raptor truck. And that has some body kit on it. That's like a dune runner. Look how big that is. Oh my God. The Mega Raptor, yes. Those tires are bigger than Jordan. Got my boy in the orange NSX. Looking fresh as always. These things sound crazy. I'll sleep on the NSX sound. Just that turbo noise is nuts.
They cut across like.
Whoa, what is this thing? Like an old Lotus or something? It's like some Ford versus Ferrari stuff. On the Montana plates, yes sir. We got the girl Heather in the C8. Good morning. There it is. That's the one I got to drive. That's sick. Got my boy Frankie. And then we got the absolute squad rolling up. AMG GTR F12. That is clean. That is low as heck. Dang, and they got a Performante, Mercedes Benz, and a GT3. What up, brother? That is so clean. I love those two. And we got more rolling up. We got another R8 and a black C8. That looks so evil, dude. Whoa, I've never seen a black one before. That's what she said. Then we got the roll cage on wheels. We saw this at Drew's meet. That is insane. And is that a Tomei? Oh yeah. All right, we got two fellow members of the Big Wang gang. We have the Lancer and then the crazy wide body BMW behind it. And our main man Alan here says that it has the Street Fighter wrap on it. God, his windshield is so tinted. There it is, Street Fighter. Can't even see it. Hayuken. Yeah, that back window wrapped. The front window black. Cannot see. And then we got the Lamborghini. Oh, it's a Sheepy race twin turbo Huracan. I haven't seen one of them in Houston yet. That's crazy. And then we got our boy in the 720S.
That car is dirty.
We got the pink Lexus rolling up with the white wheels, an orange one, and then a freaking blue Aventador SV. I haven't seen that one in Houston yet. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. That is so sick. It's the Superman spec. Got another GTR with a big wing. Marrow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And our boy in the Isuzu. Very nice. We got another Aventador. Oh, the twin turbo one. Okay, so this is the underground racing twin turbo Aventador. You never ever see these. They just got it done. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, you can hear the turbos and it's a V12. Oh, that's insane. Got the wide body scat pack with the red lights. That is mean. Oh, it's YouTubing on a budget. It's that boy. Okay, got a Saline Mustang, an older one. Oh, we got two Salines. Oh, that's what we like, boys. And the great thing about this place is it's right on a very straight feeder road for the Sens later. So you guys are gonna wanna stay tuned. Alright, we got some real H-Town stuff right now. We got the lowrider rolling in, yes sir. Looking good. Oh yeah. I love it. Then behind him we got the wide body Mustang. This thing is nuts. Wide body Mustang with a big wang. Never let me get my hands on a Mustang, swear to God. Look, it's Drew the Corvette got repoed. It's Mason in the Supra. Buenos dias.
I woke up on time.
Yay! That man needs a gold medal. Alright, feast your eyes here because this is special. This is the only pista I know that is this green. That is epic. And of course, he also had to bring out the 812 super fast.
Aaron,
what up? What a combo. This man has one of the coolest garages here in Houston. Oh God. It's Austin leading the pack of supercars. We got Sneaky Snakes rolling up in the Viper. Then got the big Wang Gang Viper ACR. I want to own one of those one day. Got the R8 and the white 812 Superfast, driven by like a freaking 15-year-old.
Yeah, the green one.
Jeez, I want to be like him when I grow up. We got another C8, the Grid Life Track Battle. He's got racing seats. He's got a Sparkos in there already. That's insane. Big Wang spec, good spec, good spec. From Kentucky. He's still got the plates on there from when he picked up the car. That's legendary. Alright guys, I think that's everyone rolling in now. We got to hear the cars. Now let's check them out, parked and enjoy ourselves for the Sens at the end. Okay guys, here is something we just saw roll in. The first Rapid Blue C8 on the channel. Whenever we were initially speccing them out, Drew and I, going to our wildest dreams, this is what I spec'd mine as. But of course, I'm a broke ass boy and I can't afford one of these. So here's one for you. Enjoy. Alright guys, if you know what this car is, leave it in the comment section below. I'm gonna test you guys, see how much you know your cars. We did this before in another video and I got a lot of funny answers, so tell me what car that is and I will give you a pat on the back. Alright guys, now is that time in the episode, y'all's favorite time, my favorite time. We get to hear the sins, and there's a lot of twin turbo cars here, a lot of wide body cars here, and a lot of built cars here. So we're gonna get some crazy sins today. Headphone users, beware. Alright, we got our first boy, the Mega Raptor, leaving today. We're gonna post up here on the sidewalk. And he's gone. This is gonna be good. He got a whole lot of straight. Oh yeah, and then he can get right on the highway to avoid the police. Hey. Holy, he roasted them things. That's insane! Lamborghini have sold me on one Twin Turbo Aventador. Police versus the Crazy Boost Mode Racing CTSV. Go get him, boy. Here's this thing. Just like a V6 Mustang, I didn't realize that. Here comes the Sheepy Racing Twin Turbo Huracan. Hopefully we get more Sheepy race cars out here in Texas because this is sweet. All of our Twin Turbo Lambos today are sending it for the boys. Got the white 812 super fast. Here we go. Here goes Mason in the Supra. And he's off. Rapid blue C8.
Shelby truck to Cars and Coffee.
Lamborghini. And a C8 Corvette. Halfway out in the middle of the lane. This truck is louder than all holy heaven. Hi, puppy. Got the crazy blue of SV rolling up. He has an exhaust too. Oh, it's him. All right, boys, here we go. my God, this BMW is using his blinkers. What a legend. We got the Mistachrome Terminator. I love this thing. A guilty pleasure of mine, if you would say. We got our boy in the ZR1, yes sir. We got him doing crazy stuff and I love it. Oh yeah, baby, we got the 812 super fast and the Pista. And a GT350. And the RS Crosworth.
Down there filming.
We got the Camaro SS, baby.
I mean, what? You want to use these?
Yes, sir. Hold on, ladies. Mama and Papa. Oh yes.
Let's see it.
Rolling now, baby. I love it. The Black Widow, baby. Jeez.
All right.
It's the Bronco. It's like a old one, very modernized. I will be a Bronco owner next year. I'm super excited. It doesn't have to send it. It's a legendary car. Jesus, Lexus, you go, boy. The repoed vet.
Oh,
Alright, we got the policeman rolling up, checking out the cars at the car meet. Wonder if he'll get somebody. See you, brother. The cops out here are pretty nice compared to HPD. It's me as a G8 GT. Oh my God, look at this Jeep. The tires are bigger than the actual car. That's awesome. I need to make the Bronco look like that. That is such road presence. What size tires are those? Yes. Welcome to the chat. We got one more. This is that car from Cars with the big old wine.
You have competition, my guy.
I think he beats me. Jeez, that's crazy. Bro, is that a Supra? He sounds like he likes to party. Beautiful red ZR1. Policeman lurking back there, but we also have a C8 right here and a crazy Mopar boy. What a legend. Yeah, if you guys know what this is, I'm being serious, let me know, because I've never seen this thing before in my life. Very cool. Oh yes. This guy is crazy as well, so hopefully we'll see a full send. It's an E mode. Crazy track hawk.
Oh yeah, it's coming.
You have a track hawk, everywhere's a drag strip. One of the last few people rolling out, we got the Grid Life Race Seat C8 Corvette. Very nice. We got another cop rolling by. There's that one. And then there's one right there looking at that R34. Hopefully he doesn't seize that. Alright guys, got the lowered F12. Got our boy the man, the machine, rolling out of here. Crazy. Here comes Alan. See ya, bro.
I don't know about him, but the next one will.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. It was an absolutely crazy meet. Twin Turbo Aventador, C8s galore, and all sorts of other super high-end exotic and crazy muscle cars. Hope you guys enjoyed. If if you made it this far in the video, consider joining the membership program. You'll be an honorary member of the Hoopty crew if you want to support the channel in a different way other than smashing that like button. But if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.